Are you ready to take your website from just okay to outstanding? Well, in today's video, I'm going to dive into 10 common mistakes that most businesses make when creating their website. And most importantly, I will show you how to fix each one. So let's get into it. Mistake number 1. Ignoring mobile optimization. Let's be real, most people today use their cell phone when it comes to browsing a website, but so many websites still look off when they're viewed on mobile. So how do we fix it? Well, you want to ensure that your site is responsive by using the mobile preview tool on platforms like Wix and Shopify. Trust me, this will make a world of a difference. Mistake number 2, too many fonts and colors. You may be tempted to use every color and font under the sun, but trust me, keeping it simple often looks more professional. You want to stick to 2 fonts max and a color scheme that reflects your brand. Your website will look clean, polished, and much more credible. Mistake number 3, no clear call to action or CTA. If your visitors can't quickly find out what you want them to do next, then they're gone. Every web page should guide them with a clear call to action, whether that's to book a service, to contact you, or to browse your products. You want to try adding a button at the top of each page with a simple action. Shop now, contact us, or learn more. These call to actions or CTAs will guide your visitors into what you want them to do next. So now on to our next mistake. Mistake number 4, slow load times. Have you ever been on a website and it takes a very long time to load? Well, for most people, they're gone in a few seconds. So you want to optimize images, avoid heavy video files, and use website tools like Google Page Speed Insights to check your website's speed. Mistake number 5, overcrowding the homepage. Many websites overwhelm their visitors by crowding the homepage with too much information, text, and images. This can make it difficult for visitors to stay focused and to find what they're looking for. So, keep the homepage simple and visually appealing. Include only the most important information, like your business mission, a few high-quality images, and a clear call to action. Think of it as a storefront. A clean and organized layout invites visitors in. Mistake number 6, ignoring analytics. Without tracking tools like Google Analytics, you're missing valuable insights into visitor behavior, popular pages, and potential areas of improvement. You want to set up Google Analytics and another tracking tool from day 1 to understand how visitors interact with your site. You'll get insights that can guide content adjustments and help you better meet your audience needs. Mistake number 7, using low-quality images. Using blurry or poorly lit images can really make your website feel unprofessional, and then this can in turn cause your potential customers to leave your website. You want to invest in high-quality photos or use professional-looking stock images. Visuals are a key part of building trust. Crisp, clear images make your brand look reliable and worth exploring. So now we want to move on to mistake number 8, not updating content regularly. A site that looks outdated and has old information can make your website seem as if it's inactive. You want to set a schedule to update your website regularly. Whether it's updating blog post content, refreshing product listings, or adding seasonal information. Staying current keeps visitors engaged and show them your business is active. Okay guys, so we've made it to mistake number 9, and this mistake is very crucial. A lot of persons make this mistake, and this is SEO practices. Without proper SEO, it'll be very hard to find your website on search engines, and you can potentially miss out on customers. So how do we fix this big problem? Well, you want to focus on basic SEO practices. like adding relevant keywords to titles, descriptions, and image alt tags. You don't have to be an SEO expert, but even small adjustments can improve visibility and bring more visitors to your site. Okay guys, so we made it to mistake number 10, which is neglecting a contact page. Now this is very, very important as well. This is the second most important thing on your website. If your visitors struggle to find your contact information, then they're going to give up on reaching you altogether and you can miss out on a potential sale. And we don't want that. So here's how we fix this. You want to make sure that there's a dedicated page with multiple options for communication, whether it's a form, phone number, email, or social links. Your visitors should feel that you're approachable and easy to reach. So there you have it. These 10 simple fixes can take your website to the next level and keep your visitors coming back. Remember, a website isn't just about looking good. It's about creating an experience that reflects your brand and drives action. Hit the subscribe button if you found this helpful and let me know in the comments what challenges you're having with your website. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.